Morning all. 10 AM on a quite a cold and windy Saturday morning. I hope you can hear the audio okay on this. I'm just here at Stanner Primary School, so bits and pieces, you know, there's two buildings on this site which we do, and yeah, I don't normally work Saturdays, if I'm honest, not anymore at least, but because of what's been going on with me going down to Exeter, I've been to and froing from the Midlands. We're doing a fair bit of stuff off the tools. I've paid quite a bit extra in wages for the lads to cover me while I'm out doing a bit. So yeah, thought I'd get this school done myself, keep me honest kind of effort. So this is the front of the big building, well, the bigger of the two, and then they've got one over my shoulder over there. So yeah, that's been a couple hours worth of work. I'll have a chat with you in a bit.
Always be there, always.